Today we will prepare ground beef for tacos using the culinary world's most versatile piece of heavy cooking equipment. We will start by adding ground beef to our preheated 30-gallon braising pan. This durable equipment can reach temperatures of 350 degrees in just 4 minutes for fast response and quicker cooking times. A must for the high demands of K-12 food service. The incredible cooking equipment is designed to make large batch cooking controllable, effective, and easy to execute. The unique heat delivery systems for either the gas or electric models eliminates the hot and cold spots. Notice how the beef doesn't stick. A 5/8-inch thick stainless steel clad plate allows higher cooking temperatures. Groen remains committed to investing in state-of-the-art welding and grinding technology to build the best-in-class braising pan in the food service equipment industry. Precision welding means stronger and more consistent weld seams. And precision grinding provides unparalleled consistency in smooth cove seams. All this technology is working together to provide equipment that is easy to clean and sanitize. Groen continues to build for the future of your kitchen. And 3-inch radius corners let you move the food easily around the interior of the Eclipse. Tilting allows the excess fat to be removed from beef and drained out of the braising pan with a tangent draw-off valve, all while continuing to cook product inside. We will add a taco seasoning and water, following the instructions on the seasoning blend. The optional pan carrier assists in transfer of product using our distinctive pour lip. The center tilt design provides the shortest pour path in the industry with an available manual and electric tilt assist. The high-quality stainless steel cooking surface is the easiest to clean in the industry. And all of Groen Eclipse braising pans come standard with a 10-year body warranty. And for more information on Groen's Eclipse braising pans, go to our website at unifiedbrands.net and click on the Groen tab.